Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Today, we're diving into a battle of the titans in the mirrorless camera world, the Nikon Z6 II versus the Canon EOS R6 Mark II. It's like Batman versus Superman, but with fewer capes and a lot more pixels. So grab your popcorn, because it's time for the ultimate showdown. Let's see which camera can capture your heart and your cat's best side. First up, the price. The Nikon Z6 II comes in at a wallet-friendly $1,996, making it a solid choice for those looking for quality without breaking the bank. Meanwhile, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II is strutting in at a whopping $3,599. Reviewers appreciate the Z6 II for its budget-friendly nature, especially for advanced hobbyists and tech vloggers. They find it to be a good investment considering its features. On the other hand, Canon users often mention that the R6 Mark II's price reflects its exceptional performance and reliability, particularly for wedding photography. It's a significant investment, but many feel it's worth every penny for the quality it delivers. Now let's talk image quality. The Nikon Z6 II boasts a 24.5 megapixels BSI resolution that excels in low light, perfect for those late-night taco runs. Reviewers highlight its sharp photos and impressive low-light performance, making it a favorite for night shots. The Canon, with its 24.2 megapixels full-frame sensor, is praised for delivering exceptional image quality that captures every detail, especially in dynamic settings like weddings. Users rave about the Canon's ability to produce stunning images even in challenging conditions, which makes it a professional photographer's dream. So who wins this round? Let's just say if you're shooting in a cave, the Nikon might have the edge, but the Canon's got you covered for those sun-soaked beach selfies. Next up, we're comparing continuous shooting speed. Nikon is like the laid-back friend who can still keep up with a 14 FPS pace. Reviewers appreciate this speed for capturing high-quality action shots in various situations. Meanwhile, Canon is that friend who's had too much coffee and is zooming ahead at 12 FPS with a mechanical shutter and a jaw-dropping 40 FPS with an electronic shutter. Users have noted that this high-speed capability is perfect for fast-paced events like sports and wildlife photography, ensuring no perfect shot is missed. So if you want to capture your dog's epic zoomies, the Canon might be your best bet. Now let's talk autofocus. The Nikon Z6 II has solid autofocus performance, but the Canon R6 Mark II takes the cake with its dual-pixel CMOS AF2, covering nearly 100% of the frame with 1053 AF zones. Reviewers have noted the Canon's autofocus is faster and more reliable, especially in dynamic scenes. It even detects people, animals, and vehicles, which is a significant advantage for wildlife photography. Users have expressed that the Canon is practically a safari guide, making it easier to capture the perfect moment without missing a beat. Finally, let's chat about video capabilities. The Nikon Z6 II offers 4K UHD video performance at its best, and reviewers praise its 4K recording features, especially for vlogging and tech journalism. Meanwhile, the Canon R6 Mark II is packing some serious heat with 4K at 60p, which users have found to be perfect for creating high-quality video content. The Canon's video capabilities have garnered attention for being ideal for filmmakers and content creators. Just remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Don't get too carried away and film your neighbor's cat without permission. In summary, both the Nikon Z6 II and Canon EOS R6 Mark II have their unique strengths and cater to different types of photographers. The Nikon is praised for its affordability, low light performance, and solid build, making it a great choice for enthusiasts and advanced hobbyists. Conversely, the Canon is celebrated for its exceptional autofocus, high-speed shooting, and video capabilities, making it a favorite among professionals, especially in wedding and event photography. So there you have it. Both the Nikon Z6 II and Canon EOS R6 Mark II have their strengths, and which one is better really depends on your needs. If you're on a budget and love low-light photography, Nikon might be your guy. But if you want the speed, autofocus, and video capabilities that'll make your friends jealous, Canon's your best bet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Remember, product links are in the description.